12:19 p.m.
Pwede na kami mag-place ng order.
Chicken Alfredo, pizza, baby back, kiddie meal, steak, Doton bar. Cake.
Hi, good morning. What of the...
Anong drinks niyo? Hot choco. Sige. Apat na raw po ng cheesy and
Okay po.
Then, hot choco ka rin. Then, tatlo yung hot choco na drink.
Okay po. Yung isa, ma'am.
Iced tea.
Okay po.
Thank you.
Apat na cheese egg desal po. Hash brown, tatlong ice choco.
Cheese egg desal. Hash brown. And hot choco for breakfast. For making me believe. Hi guys. Say hi, Arbelia.
I can't sing.
Where are we?
Acre.
Acre ba yun? Acre.
Acre.
Beach Resort. Time check. What's the time?
7:20.
It's already 7:20 in the morning. Umalis kami ng 5 a.m. sa Lipa. Hinted. Hi guys. 9 o'clock pa ang check-in. Meron ka? Mag-ayos muna kami.
Anong shade?
Sunscreen. Thanks, Gegek.
Thanks, Gegek.
Oh no, my phone!
Ganda nyo.
Yeah.
What brand? Can you buy me
From Japan. So, 10 o'clock in the morning. And we're walking sa initan. There. Sa initan at sa batukan. So hot. All for the picture. Ay! Nagre-record pala siya. Tara na mag-swim-swim. Guys, we're just chilling.
Let's eat first and then...
By the beach.
Mamaya pa fruits na.
There. Lunchy. Sisig. Kare-kare. Then free nachos. Special exclusive for me ang sisig. Pakita naman. Kita ito sa video. Pinagdilatan ako ng mata. Mamaya, isasama ko yun sa vlog.
Ano ba yun?
Bahala kayo mag-tethers pa. Guys, We're just chilling. And look. May nagtuthirst trap. May nagtitiktok!
Hello, sorry po.
Gag, ang ganda na eh. Gago, basag. Cheers na lang.
Ng kalamansi at anghang ng sili. Mag-Baileys Extra Bitter.
Ang ganda ng dadot na mo.
Kuya, mas lalo namang hindi ako ulit. Kuya,
Hi guys. Asal ba akong gym eh? Look. Tara! Guys, ito yung 3-door. Let me know your thoughts. The red and the khaki. Limited edition. There.
Singaw, sir. Kasi pag ano naman, sir, bigyan ko rin kayo ng ano, sir. Gusto na naman ng bang PO.
There.
Is parang do doctors with school. Oh, sila. Pero
extractions are fine. I don't need my mind. You don't get the sound.
siya, kita mo. Dapat.
Lasagna. Done eating. Follow. Follow. May nasa bibig ko.
Ang daddy namin na.
Nasa CR.
Sa CR.
Thank you po. So,
Ano pag-hingi ng gata sa diga, tulog yan.
Ganon.
Bulok.
Uy, mali.
Sige, 1-0.
Dahil sa'yo mo tinatapat lang ito. Ang daya sa ulo mo na. Ba't hindi magpantay?
Oh, panalo ko.
Eh, tapos na. Hindi ako nakakuha.
Ano? Lock. Pana. Let's try this. Bacon check. Crispy. Rice check.
next. Coffee. What's that? Salted caramel.
Salted caramel. Best seller. Is naka tube ice.
Game na.
My taste test though.
Rate it.
Rating, I'll give it a 2.
OA.
Hindi ako oy.
So, win.
Yeah, para kang ano, para kang ano, pirata.
This is Biscoff caramel. What?
Biscoff caramel. Ng coffee.
Ayaw mo yung matamis yun eh.
Haloy mo. Tama ka.
Love it. Hi guys, we're eating. There's no gravy. What a gravy? My checklist. Nasaan na? Hindi tayo naabutan.
Ikaw gising. Takot sa tao?
Takot din sa'yo?
Sa akin.
Tayo din! Sino magpipicture? Very nanay ang atake ng isa.
Ladies and gentlemen, everyone, sa pulong ito, gusto rin mag-advance from Jollibee ng Sige. Yes, great to be the Jollitown Team Time Party. Maraming salamat bro. Once again, sa ating lahat na natin ito, gusto ko na po sabihin sa ating lahat, ang Jollibee is Party Hall. Ang hindi na po nabibigyan.
With a Jollibee girl. Ay talaga.
Hindi natin na
Tama!
Bata ba?
151.70
Baka hindi na nawala. Hindi na.
Sobrang nahihilok na susuka.
0.95 na lang yung lumabi sa kanya.
Wow.
Bakit ka pala ba? Kaya mga nalita pa lang.
Hindi nga nag-google na rin.
Parang.
Hello nga. Pero hindi pa tayo punta ka.
Hindi.
Princess! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Nino, Marlon, hindi ng Ludi, Katapang. Ay, apaka-fresh. Come on!
Hi guys! Today is May 25. We just got home from the mall and we got... Show your paper bag. Show your paper bag.
Good.
What's this? Tumbler from Sunny's. Unboxing. This is the bottle.
Oh my god, what is this?
What's next?
What is this?
The boot. And the RoboCap. The connector. And the glider. Ito yung akin. Ito yung kay Sia. Mine is 740 ml. Yung kay Sia ay 473 ml. Let's unbox it. ASMR. ASMR.
Look at the tumbler. Look at the smiley.
Show the name. Show your name.
It's Zia.
Ah.
I love this.
Look. We're twinning.
Yes. Let's unbox the...
There. Ella and Zia. Next.
Can I see yours? You don't have happy face.
Yeah. I don't like.
Why?
Next.
It's scary?
No. Ito iyo. Hindi pala. Akin pala to.
I cannot open it.
Boot muna.
That's a reverse.
Yeah.
Wait for me.
It is buttermilk.
It's buttermilk and mine's buttermilk too. Guys,
Yeah. Cutesy cutesy. I'll go.
yeah.
Very good.
How can
I'll go.
yeah, it's like it.
Oh.
Oh my god.
Look.
When is the robot cup?
Next.
Robot cup.
RoboCap.
I already opened it. Guys, look at this. Look at this. Wow, look at this. This is not cool water yet.
Buttermilk as well.
I
We're
read-
twinning.
I already, this.
Look. And the glider. Where's mine?
There.
Open your glider.
What is
This
one? Okay.
Guys, we're twinning.
Oh my god.
Put it here.
I forgot to put it back.
Why?
What is glitter?
Okay.
Wait for me! I was gonna put the glitter.
Okay. Okay, very good. Last one.
What?
The connector. Where's your connector? There.
There's my connector.
What's this color? I don't know the color.
Because you didn't see it.
When we don't have scissor.
Just gonna...
How can we open?
Oh my god.
Ganyan lang. Sinira na siya. Oh my gosh, we need scissor.
Oh my gosh.
Wait, wait.
Healthy.
You make Kila this one. Hana!
Cannot help me. Guys, because look at my title. Z. I have happy face. Z. You got it.
Like this. Show them. Wait, I'll hold it. Yeah.
Bye guys.
Ayun lang, bye!
Wait a minute. You can buy that.
Saan? Ayan na. Hi guys. Huwag ka mahuhulog.
Yung light lang, Daddy.
Ha?
Yung light.
Saan?
Ito po.
Samyang.
No, not that. Super spice. Nasa taas. Yung nasa taas. Yung green. Yung green.
Nang?
Buldak.
Bulldog. Chat spicy.
Not
Yan na
that.
lang. Yung isa na pink.
No.
Sa akin.
Eh na yun, no, yung seafoods. Hindi mo nami-miss. Yung binibili ni Daddy dati.
Hawakan na.
The seafood one, baby.
Ayoko.
Don't like. Hey guys, we'll take over. Carbon. Tissue. Ooh. Tissue.
Tinatamad ako mamili.
Dito ka na. Sia, get that. The double crunch. The lace one. No, the green one. The green. That's yummy. The seaweed.
May salt. Spicy tuna. Ate! Ito na lang.
Ayoko, gusto ko
Ito oh, Baskin Robbins. It's yum.
gusto ko lang. Hindi ko po mabasa. Maingay.
Saan mo yun nakita?
Hindi ko alam sa mukbang.
Saan?
Mukbang. Tapos ito din.
Hoy!
What do you want?
Look, mochi.
Mochi. Mochi.
Ito oh.
Ito.
Ito na lang.
Ayoko na. I'll eat that.
Kakanood mo ng mukbang. Tana. Ano mochi?
Ay, what is mochi?
Yun nga. Yun na lang.
Ay, do. Kung sa'yo na.
Tia, look here. There's no Japanese mayo. Sana kita. Wag mo lang buksan lahat. Ano yung side mo?
Hindi, iba kasi po.
Ha.
Melon. Sarap. Green melon yan.
I love it.
Tingnan mo.
Kaya.
Gargo ka.
Kain mo matikman ko.
Sa, papa.
Kain. Kaya nga dark.
Oo. Nakakapinay ako ng Jollibee ah.
My favorite.
Pero okay lang, kahit yung Jollibee lang.
That was actually supposed to happen.
Ako, naka-vlog pa si Ineng.
Agad pa yung nakautot.
FD si Tupe.
Uy! Uy! Kalabaw! Aso!
Guys, sa vlog mo na. Tiliya.
Takong pakling!
Say hi sa vlog.
Say hi sa vlog ko daw.
FC ka Tupi ah.
Oh, galing.
Aba! Hindi magdidikit ka sa akin.
Ayun ang dad.
Yes, my dear. Ha?
Okay ka ba?
Wrap ang 8 a.m.
Kailan binigyan ka ng GB? Bibili ka ng GB.
Pabog na ako. Bigyan babog na vlog.
Hi, vlog!
Saan kaya ang taklob na?
Say hi to my vlog!
Hi, vlog.
Hi, vlog! Rice!
Yes.
Hey guys! Welcome to my vlog. Baby girl! Baby girl!
Mine is dress like a long dress. Yun daw ay nakawayo.